What to say?
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong.
Second day of our 78th annual conference, and normally we give a report as to our activities over the previous year, and as part of that report it came out that we've been having challenges with this particular entity. It went to the point where it was highlighted that our shop steward within the entity, we wrote to request a time off for the individual to attend our conference. Initially they didn't respond. And so on Thursday or Friday we called, and the HR asked me, am I supposed to respond? I said, you know. So she said, okay, I am seeing my lawyer today. Let me get back to you this afternoon on that. The afternoon I got a letter indicating that yes, we will give the shop steward the time to attend the conference, but we will not be paying her.
We're no longer going to tolerate that from any company in Antigua and Barbuda who comes to Antigua and feel like can exploit workers. They need to know our labor laws. They need to be au fait with the various positions of the trade union and the employment relationship. And also, sometimes they talk about the lawyers. Okay? They're talking about a lawyer. How many lawyers do really know industrial relations? They're criminal lawyers. They're lawyers that work in the High Court and things like that. The trade unions are mostly entrenched in labor relations and in labor laws. So, as I said earlier, we are here and we're not leaving here until we get the shop steward to come. This is our conference. This is our conference. And the law says that every single representative or shop steward in a company, when the union conference is called, they are given time off with pay. That is the role of the shop steward. They represent the union on the job. So basically we're waiting for the answer. And whether they say yes, pay or not, we are taking the shop steward with us, and the protest is going to continue.
So I was at work, and I was told that Mr. Joseph and Mr. George are downstairs. When I came down, I saw the ATNLU actually came to get me at my workplace. So
entire membership.
The entire membership. I'm very grateful for the support. This is a great booster for us, the staff at Amnesty International, and I'm happy. As I said, I have the union as my support. This, as I said, this is a great booster. This is the heavy wall for me, you understand? So I'm not really afraid of anything. Basically, I go to work, I do my tasks, I complete my hours, and that's basically it.
Well, I'm telling you, this is a victory for workers. This is sending a clear signal that employers cannot just do as they please when workers are being governed by a trade union movement, and workers have enshrined in their collective agreement with the trade union that they must be given time off for trade union business. It's sending a strong signal to other companies in Antigua and Barbuda that they must respect the right of the workers, and that workers' rights is usually human rights. So basically, we are all elated. As you can see, we are going back to the conference which has been suspended for about one hour with the shop steward with us, with pay. Any repercussion at all, this worker, we at least have really sent a signal to the management that anything that happens untoward after today with this particular shop steward, they'll be feeling the full weight of the union. This time we'll expand the protest to other workplaces for solidarity.
I think one of the things that came out in the conference that led them to make the decision to say, hey, let's go over there and protest, is the fact that we had members who are on layoff and who are working days, and these people have applied for work permit for Indians coming out of St. Martin, saying that they're trying to help persons out of St. Martin because they would have, St. Martin was devastated by the hurricane, so they're now trying to help people. I have no objection to helping, but it is significant the nationality of persons that they're bringing, because these are persons who don't support union. You already have about 4 or 5 of them there, and when you compare the ratio to the local staff, If we were to decide to take industrial action by ourselves, they can run the store. So it's a form of, in our view, union busting. It reduces the power that the union has within the workplace.
Workers that they brought in are waiting their permit to be signed by the Attorney General. We are also going to make that petition to the Attorney General. Unless all the Antiguan workers are not back to work, they are not to be signed.